What's going on, everybody? Josh here, and in this video I'm out at Sanctuary at Seaire in Parrish, Florida, and I'm going to take you on a tour of both of the Perry Homes model homes. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan, and I specialize in helping people just like you relocate to the Parrish, Florida area and surrounding areas. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact number is right here. Give me a call, shoot me a text, whatever's easier for you, or you can scan this QR code right here. That will take you to my Calendly link where you can schedule a one-on-one Zoom call to discuss your real estate goals. All right, guys, so real quick before I start, it's a little bit about Perry over here. They are doing 50 and 60-foot lots out here. They have 75 lots in phase 1, and then they will have 75 lots in phase 2. They've already sold 10, which is great considering they haven't even had a grand opening yet. And real fast, HOA out in Seaire is the same for everybody. It's $100 a month plus the $50 a month if you want the Lagoon access, so $150 a month for the HOA. The CDD varies based on lot size, and that's anywhere from $3,500 to $4,500 per month, or per year, sorry. The CDD is added to your tax bill, of course. Perry, real fast, what they're offering on their 50-foot lots, they have 9 different floor plans ranging from 2,016 square feet up to 3,024 square feet. And then on their 60-foot lots, they have 15 different floor plans that you can choose from, ranging from 2,546 square feet all the way up to 3,638 square feet. So I know there's a lot of information. Let's go start these tours so I can get out of this heat. All right, this one is the 2968 model. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, 2968 square feet, and the base price is $745,900. So let's go inside, take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. All right, so you come up here to the left here, you have this front porch area here, covered front porch. All right, let's head inside. Keep in mind it is a model home. All right, so you come in, you have nice wide entryway here. You have the double tray ceilings. And then over here to the left, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So on the floor plan, this is labeled as bedroom number 4. And of course, they have this set up as an office in the model here. And then you have a shared bathroom. So we come in, it's kind of a split Jack and Jill. So you have a single vanity here. I'm guessing this is gonna be open in the, like if you were to build, you might be able to put a door or on their inventory homes. They do have an inventory home that'd be ready in about 2 weeks. I could go take a look and see if they put a door there, but it might just be open on this side for your single vanity. And then go in right here, and this is your walk-in closet for the bedroom. And then you do share the tub and shower combo with the second bedroom. And then of course you have your toilet here, and then a door to shut that off, lead it into the next vanity. How's it going, everybody? Hope you're doing well. And then this leads right into bedroom number 2, or on the floor plan, if you're looking at that, this is labeled as bedroom number 3. All right, and then this one has a walk-in closet in the actual bedroom itself. So you come in, or a step-in closet, I like to call it. All right, then we're back to that main hallway off the left of the entryway. You have a linen closet here. And then behind this door, you have your flip-flop closet. All right, so we are back to the main entryway here. Right here to the right, they obviously have this set up as your sales offices, but this would be a 3-car tandem garage, and you would have your 3rd bay back here where they have their break room and conference room. And this door or this wall wouldn't be open like that. You'd have your entryway right here. You come in, you have a little drop zone area right here, and then right into your laundry room. So this one has the laundry sink and the cabinets. All right, and then we come back to the main hallway. If you're coming down from the front door, take a left here. Right behind this door, you're gonna have your air handler. And then right into bedroom number 3. And then of course this one has its own step-in closet here. Of course, all 8-foot doors. And then right outside of bedroom number 3, you're gonna have your second bathroom. This one has a single vanity and the shower in it. All right, so coming out of that, come back to the main hallway. Right across the hall on the right is gonna be another closet here. And then continuing on down, come in right here to the left is gonna be a flex room. So you can see here they have it set up as a game room. Love the almost floor to ceiling windows here. And then right out of the flex room, you come into your grand room or living room. And then of course it's opened up to your kitchen. So you have a little bar area here, a little dry bar with a mini fridge. Come in, nice big island. And then your pantry is gonna be right over here. Of course, they have all their materials in here, sales materials. And then this is a gas community. So of course, this one has the gourmet kitchen with your gas cooktop, your pot filler, and then your wood range hood. Love that they take the cabinets all the way up to the ceiling. And then the backsplash in this one that they did the solid stone, just like the countertops. And then in the island here, of course, the pull-out trash cans, single bowl undermount sink, stainless steel dishwasher, and then you're opened up to your grand room. And then right over here, you're gonna have your wall-mounted oven and microwave, and then your dining room space right over here. Just look at these windows, love it. I love what Perry is doing here. And of course, you have a door there going out to your covered lanai. Triple sliders, which we'll go out there in a minute. But let's go take a look at the main suite tucked in the back corner over here. So you come in here, a nice big bedroom, king size bed, 2 nightstands. Of course, plenty of space here for a little sitting area. Once again, nice amount of windows, and then plenty of space for a dresser. You have your French doors leading into your main bathroom. Come right in, you're greeted by this freestanding tub, a little glass wall there leading into your shower. And then you have your split vanities. So vanity number 1 right there, and then vanity number 2 right there. Of course, all your frosted glass. And then right on the left side of the shower, you're gonna have your half bath right over here. And then your linen closet right there. Love that they use wood shelves. And then into your first walk-in closet. All right. Now let's go take a look at the other side over here. Your walk-in shower over here. And then your second walk-in closet. This one's a little bit smaller. Of course, you have the shelving behind the door here too. All right, let's go outside, take a look at this covered lanai, and then the pool in this case, pool and spa. let's go out. I unlocked this one, so let's go out this one here. Come out here, you have your covered lanai. Of course, they have the outdoor kitchen in this one as well. Love how the lanai is extended around the corner there, so plenty of cover space out here for that indoor-outdoor lifestyle. And then this one has the pool and spa. But of course, the waterfall feature, being a model home, it's, I guess, not that important yet, but just want to show you that anyway. Come over here, flip around, kind of give you a nice little look at the back of this one. So once again, this is the 2968 floor plan. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. This is your friendly real estate reminder that if you're thinking about buying new construction, make sure you use a real estate agent. As nice and as knowledgeable as the sales reps are, they represent the builder and not you. So make sure you have someone in your corner looking out for your best interests. If that could be me, give me a call, shoot me a text. My number's right here on the screen. But let's go back to the tour. All right, so this next one here is the 2555. This was a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2-car garage, 2555 square feet, and the base price is $646,900. Let's go inside, take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Of course, this one is the sales office as well, and there are some construction guys in here, so we come in, we'll just kind of ignore them. But you come in the front door here, immediately to the left, you're gonna have your flex room here with the French doors. Of course, all 8-foot doors. Nice size flex room here. Love the tall windows, tall ceilings. Right. Just like in the last one, over to the left is they converted the garage into the sales office. So this will be solid wall coming over there where the drop zone is. But let's go over here real fast to the left. You're gonna have your air handler right here up front. You're gonna have your flip-flop closet right here. And then bedroom number 1 right here. Nice sized bedroom here. And the light is off. So this one has an ensuite. You have your single vanity and then the shower in here. Of course, they take a tile all the way up to the ceiling. And I don't believe they know what wire shelving is, which is absolutely awesome. So you get the wood shelving, the closet there. All right, so coming out of your first bedroom here, back to your main hallway. Right here to the right is where that drop zone would be when you come in out of the garage. Continuing on down the hall. Over here to the right. This wing of the home, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So bathroom number 2 right here. And then this one has the tub and shower combo. They did not take the tile all the way ceiling here. All right, so right outside of bathroom number 2, you're gonna have bedroom number 2. You can see plenty big enough here. They have 2, was it twins, maybe queen size beds here. And a dresser in between. And then you have your closet here, which of course they have printers in. All right outside of bedroom 3, you're gonna have bedroom number 4. I'm sorry, this is bedroom number 3, right outside of bedroom number 2. Getting ahead of myself. And then of course your closet here. All right outside of bedroom number 3, you're gonna have your laundry room. Of course, this one has the laundry sink and all the cabinets. I like how the laundry room is kind of just, I mean, I guess it's by the bedrooms, but it's away from the main bedroom. So right into your kitchen. Once again, this is a gas community, so you have your gas cooktop, of course, your wood range hood, and then in the island here, your pull-out trash cans are right there. Single bowl undermount sink, and of course your stainless steel dishwasher opened up to your living room and dining room space. And then right over here, you're gonna have your pantry. Wall mounted oven and microwave, and then of course your refrigerator round off your kitchen. Love how they do the extended island over here, or not island, the extended countertops here. Create a little coffee bar, additional windows. And of course right here where the dining room table is would be your dining room space. You could swap out those can lights for chandeliers if you wanted to, kind of like they did the pendant lights here. And then open up to your living room space. Love the big triple sliders, which we'll go out to in a minute. But let's go take a look at this main suite back here real fast. Before we head in there, you have a closet right here. And then right into your main bedroom. Once again, a nice size bedroom here. Love the windows, king size bed, plenty of space for 2 nightstands, some chairs or a bench at the end of the bed, and then plenty of space for your dresser. Once again, we see French doors leading into your main bathroom. So you come in, split vanities again, and you are greeted with a freestanding tub and a nice feature wall right there. And behind me, you're gonna have your 2 split vanities. So vanity number 1 there, vanity number 2 right there. And then of course the frosted glass. And then right over here, you're gonna have your first walk-in closet. And then right here is going to be your half bath, or not half, I'm losing it today, I'm telling you, your water closet. And then you have a walk-in shower over here. I do wish there was a wall niche in this one, but I guess you could just use the shelf there. And then your walk-in closet number 2. All right, let's head outside, take a look at this covered lanai. So we come out here, have your covered lanai out here. This one does have a pre-plumb for an outdoor kitchen. And then of course your covered lanai right here. And then they did an extended patio on the model home. Come over here, turn around, show you the back of this one. Once again, this is the 2555 floor plan. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below.